Do you want to smooth out your smile lines naturally? In today's video, I'm going to show you some quick face yoga and face massage techniques that's going to smooth out those smile lines and rejuvenate your skin. I'm Lina Hanson, holistic beauty expert, and I'm here to share all the amazing holistic beauty rituals with you that's going to transform your skin and your overall well-being. So let's get started. So we're gonna get started here by massaging a few drops of our favorite face oil into our skin. So smile lines really are a natural part of our aging, and they tell a story of a joy, of course, and experiences. But with regular face yoga and massages, we can soften their appearance and maintain a vibrant, youthful glow. And these techniques here are going to work by increasing circulation, boosting collagen, and releasing tension in the facial muscles. And that's going to help us really smooth and lift this whole area here. So we're going to get started with a face yoga cheek muscle technique. So we're going to make an O shape here with our mouth and go into a smile. So we're going to go from an O shape into a smile, and we're going to repeat this back and forth 20 times. This is going to work to lift and firm the muscles in the cheek area and engage the entire lower face here for a more sculpted appearance. Really focusing on the cheek area here, lifting, firming, and toning this whole area. Next, we are going into a deep tissue pinch for fascia release. So you want to use your thumbs as support here. Take a fold of your skin and your cheek area, grasp deeply here, and locate any areas of tensioned or thickened fascia. So you want to focus on these areas here and gently pinching and wiggling it back and forth here. Taking a hold here, really holding with your thumb and really pinching. Taking note here of any areas of extra tension. So this technique really releases adhesions in the fascia. It boosts circulation and helps restore facial volume. So it's both key factors here in softening in our smile lines. Really wiggling this area. Next, we're going to go on the other side here. So use your thumb as support, take a fold of your skin and your cheeks here, and start gently wiggling and pinching this area, releasing any tension in the fascia here. Paying attention to any areas where there's some extra tension. Pay a little bit more attention there. Wonderful. So we're gonna just glide our fingers outwards from the middle of the face, outwards towards the ears, to smooth out these lines here. Next, we're going to use our fingers to smooth out the area next to our nose here, where the fold of the smile lines begin. So you want to glide your fingers down the side of your nose and really focusing on relaxing the shortened muscle here. And next, we are going to apply gentle vibration movements with your fingers. Relax your mouth and just vibrate here for about 10 seconds. And this is going to help release tension in the area and really promoting softer and smoother skin here. So gently move down with your fingers, slide them down, and then apply some vibration movements here. 10 seconds. Wonderful. Slide them down again, really relaxing this whole area. And then apply the vibration movements here. Great work. Next, we are going to puff and tap for cheek volume here. So you want to place 3 fingers above your lip to tauten the area. Puff out your cheeks as much as you can. And then we're going to gently tap our cheek area here with one hand. And you want to repeat this for 30 seconds here on each side. So this exercise is excellent for addressing sagging cheeks and loss of volume, really helping to lift and firm the cheek muscles here. Wonderful. We're going to go on the other side. Puff out your cheeks and start tapping all over the cheek area here. This is also going to increase blood circulation. Wonderful. And to end this routine, we are going to gently start massaging outwards here, but we're also going to start tapping here, tapping our whole cheek muscle here. We're going to start by tapping for circulation. So we're going to end this routine here by gently tapping all over the lower face with our fingertips. So this is the final step here in stimulating the blood circulation, releasing muscle tension, and relieving your skin with a beautiful, healthy glow. Great work, everyone. Incorporating these exercises into your weekly routine can make a big difference over time, but also remember that a comprehensive approach to targeting smile lines is going to be the best. So if you're interested in face yoga and facial massages, please take a look at my other playlists and start incorporating these facial exercises into your routine daily or even weekly. Is going to make the biggest difference for your nasolabial folds, aka smile lines. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next class.